up, guys? It's Liam Victories, and in today's video, we are going to. I am in a victory, and I'm in a creeper facility, and also I got a special request from Pokeboy, for hold. Please go check his YouTube video out. It's pretty cool. He does shorts. Anyways, oh, here's hold, Pokeboy. Make sure to go check him out. It's basically you just look at it, you hit an item twice, and then you just like get to hold it around. It's so useful. I don't really use hold because I already have this physics gun, but I still use this just for some stuff. Anyways, please go check him out. Also here's a no. No. Oh, sorry, I wasn't talking. I just got like busy. Alright, anyways, we gotta really run into this next facility. Red the pigs. I heard a zombie. Was it just me, or did I hear a zombie? Get out, pig! Oh, I gotta enchant my. Get out! The climb. Alright, there should be something behind this. Like C4. Also, please go to check out Creative Aiden Fox. Anyways, I will do different rounds and different stuff. If you don't know, Minecraft is pretty popular game. That is first. Oh, freak! The creeper's here. Oh, guys, I died. Oh, damn. Get out, TV. I don't even like you anyways. Yes. Wait, if I go right here and this is what we're literally in right now. I think you're not supposed to have this, but cluster bomb. Oh, all right. So cluster bomb. Let's go check out the damage it did. All right. So first of all, I walked over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Bro, I think it's coming. Ayo. Did the whole facility just lost power because of this? Oh, frick. We gotta go. I gotta hit the emergency plug. If you don't know what that is, Alright. I'll mention this again. Go check out Pokeboy shorts, and also make sure to go check out Creative Aiden Fox. Anyways, let me go up to which one is it? Oh yeah, this. Run. Oh, I can run. Okay. Actually, I forgot to tell you this, but if I shoot at glass, it does more damage, and it's like a nuke. But it only has 4 uses. Oh my gosh. This facility. More like agility. Here, let me do another spells. Here's another spell. Here's which one did I say you like? Oh yeah, light. Here's light. It's just like this. And leave your comments down below. Should I do fire beam or should I do which one? Sun ray. Leave your comments. Sun ray or fire beam. Sun ray or fire beam. Let me know down in the comments. Anyways, this facility's freaking worn down. At least a diamond hole. I hate diamond holes. Get out. Yeah. Anyways, let's go grab this rocket. Nice stuff. Oh! Oh, it was. No, run. Bro, I perished again. Bro, guys, I think this facility, let's check from the outside with airstrike, guys. Let's see. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. And please get me to 100,000 subscribers. Please, it's my goal. Oh my god, the wind. Oh, it's still going. It's so bad the map couldn't take it, and look at it go. Bro, I call this the abandoned facility. Anyways, let's get this facility up and repaired. Come on, guys, we gotta do this. We gotta. The pigs are in trouble. A lot of things are in trouble right now. Like the world. Yeah. Also, leave this comment in down below. Would you rather have Fortnite but have no friends, or would you rather solve world hunger? That's pretty easy. You would always solve world hunger, or would you date the person you like date you? Just kidding. I don't know why I said that. I survived that somehow. Let's see what the damage is. Outside. Airstrike. Oh, there they go. Oh, damn. That's where they're coming from. Oh, no. Bro, this game is just... I'm gonna shoot one more. But this place is... Oh, I just heard a pig. Oh, bro, my game's so bad. Look at the bottom. It says reloading. And do you see how slow it's going? Let's look up. Oh my god. This thing is literally destroyed. Menacingly destroyed. God. Boom. Gone. Why did I shoot it there? I'm an idiot. I will perish. Oh my god. I might as well die from fall damage. Oh my god. I'm gonna shoot here, but then I'm gonna... I'm gonna just run, get a Thorbeast. It does have a big... Alright, guys. I'm gonna shoot this, and then we run. Oh, frick! Okay. Bro, I'm dead. I'm like right there. I'll make it. I'll make it. my game's so laggy that the bomb hasn't even blown up. Anyways, let me go to this. Yeah, I shot it. Oh, so that's why it wasn't blowing up. Because I switched guns, and when it's about to blow up, I have to hold the gun. So I'll shoot a bunch, and then I'll dehold it, run away. Oh my god, this level is being really, really bad. Anyways, here, let's go to the plane. And yeah, I do have a lot of stuff, so don't play it. Should I do space shuttle or should I do Titanic yet? Space shuttle or Titanic? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Anyways, let's go in. Alright, so let's just go here. Let's go. Okay, options. FPS captain, no. Normal cabin, yeah. I think we'll go with the humans. Humans are good. Anyway. Anyways, that's how I get back. Yeah, I'm just going to end it like this. I'm going to end it way later. Hey, yo! If I took that much health, then... Oh, I tripped! Oh, damn! The back half as a win! Bruh, I can't see the other side because of the freaking... Oh my god! This rocket launcher is so overpowered. Let me, no more victory, yeah, Fortnite about to get down like this. We don't want to be anywhere close. So let's just, alright. Airstrike. Oh, the back half! No, take some parts with it. Goodbye. Oh my. Anyways, that's how you switch. So let's get these wings off and see what happens. So let's just keep on shooting there. By the way, I'm 8. Oh, there it goes. There, the other side. Oh my god, it disintegrated. And I'm really in danger now because look at it. That wasn't there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, everything's gonna be outside. Okay, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna. The stupid door won't come. Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh. Bruh. No, I'm not one of those. I do have friends like Creative Aiden Fox. I am friends with another YouTuber. But we can only play Roblox. Because. Bob! We. Why don't I just take this away, right guys? I can't, so I just gotta go around. If you noticed this before, man, I hate the backside. I'm reloading. Did you see how fast that was? Oh wait. Run. Oh, I did. I'm so dead. I don't want to store the pilot. The pilot is where I respawn. Let's check the plane. Or is it just me in this in cursive? What? Nothing goes as ever planned. Yeet! Oh damn! Let's see what we're seeing like on the outside. Oh damn! It's just a friend. If I do say myself. See, ha, ha, ha. By the way, I did not copy this. I just made it up for me. Please don't judge me. Also, Pokeboy, check out his shorts. And I did hold like you said. Yeah, goodbye, burning piece. Haha, take this. Oh, wait, me. A name. I come. Oh, why did I do that? Screw. Wow. No, eventually this place is gonna. I do like the fire, but not when it's at my spawn point. I spawn literally at an area that once it's gone, it's no longer there. Now let me go to my physics gun, and let me take these away. Bap, bap. Obviously, I didn't care about. Yo, yeet! Oh, Minecraft stick, I'll save that. No Minecraft stick! No! Oh wait, Minecraft stick. Get out. Minecraft stick? Minecraft stick. Oh, both Minecraft sticks are right there. Anyways, let me tie this place up. Let me know what other mods I can download. By the way, I have to search it up. Don't question me. I'm not that good at spelling. I'm only in grade 3. Same with Creative Aid Fox. Alright, anyways, this plane's about to go down like it already is. Yikes! So let's... Come on, come on. Oh no. Oh no. No, why? No way. No, no. No. Nah, bruh. 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 Bro, I'm screwed. Did you see that? At least I have another one. Alright, here I go. Hopefully this one doesn't malfunction. Huh. I never thought about it. Life goes on and on and on and on. Anyways, passengers, please take your seats. Passengers, please take your seats. Wait. I'm just gonna leave the head on. Now there's a head. Wait. I need my gas mask. Well. No good old gravity. Yo. Good old gravity. Stop. Back to reality. Yo. Good old stuff. Why did I think that's good? Well. It's not the end yet. Anyways, let's look down. Oh my god, there is. Oh, I'm on low. Hey, sheesh. Oh no. Oh no. Spells. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right there. It was right there. No. Oh. Hopefully I spawn on fire. The plane. The plane. Also, I have an anime kid in my class, and then I have a Titanic kid too, actually, and then I have the gaming kid, which is me. And Luca, no, wait, sorry, that was actually just like the movie. Yeah, well, I don't know why I said that. I'm sus, I guess. Anyways, it's raining tacos. Just kidding, it's not. It's raining physics. If you don't know what physics is, it's this. be roaming again. Excuse me. Anyways, let's see if I can fly. Well, I can't, so I'll wait. Sorry, I just have a cold nose. Alright, anyways, let's get to our safe spot. Not really safe. What? Yeah. Anyways, that's, I don't know when this. Whee! Whatever. Already got off to a good start. Pilots, I need you to control this plane. Here, come with me, other pilot. Sorry? Other pilot, other pilot, other pilot. You're doing such a splendid job. Let me just open this real quick. Sorry. Gotta cut directly on the lines. There we go. I see that so I can remove the door. Now you listen up here, pilot. You're gonna listen to my rule. Or else. You see this? I'm gonna drop you down or throw you in there. Alright? So if I see any movement, you're dead. Everybody heard that? Come with me, kind sir. Can I teach you something nice? Oh no. What's this about to throw an explosive? Never mind, I gotta go take it out. Turn on the TV. Yeah. Go check out Creative Fox and like and subscribe. Alright, pilot. It's your time to go back to your seat. Oopsie, I accidentally turned this way. Oopsies. Other pilot. We have a problem. I need you to come with me again. I know how to control the plane, other pilot. Other pilot, no! Other pilot! Alright, who was you, sir? You look like a real pilot. Sir? Sir, you cannot act like that! No, sir, I gotcha. Oh, no, I don't. Well, at least that's still working up and running. Did I mean up and running? I mean bad and running. Alright, dude. You're gonna, stay right there. And if I see that, you, sir, you guys do your thing. Yeah. Alright. You bother me too much. Yes. I didn't think I had to do this, but... Alright, any new volunteers? The plane's going down. Yeah, I don't care. Let's just, oh no, guys. I gotta go to the toilet. Down my end. Quick. Quick, everybody. Get outside. I can save you. Whoa. You, sir, you are the man. So I'm just going to put you in a very nice position outside us. One second, guys. I just gotta freeze this guy. Boom! Now that guy's safe anyway. Oh, what? This plane can't be on fire, right, passengers? It's on fire! Everybody, run for your lives! You, sir. I'm sorry, but what's this there? I don't remember any being that there. I'm running. I gotta drive the plane. It's just me now. Well, I'm holding a gun. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh good old gravity! Oh good old gravity! Snap back to reality! Oh good old gravity! Oh good old gravity! Oh good old gravity! Snap back to reality! And snap back to reality. Oh good old gravity! Oh good old gravity! Oh good old gravity! Oh. Oh, 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes until the video is finished, okay? 2 more minutes. Yay. Haha, I'm in danger. I'm in danger. Oh my god. Wee. Wee. What? No. C, no. C, no. Magic blast? No, I don't want no magic blast. Snap back to reality. Oh, good old Saudi. Oh, good old Saudi. Oh, good old Saudi. Snap back to reality. Oh, good old Saudi. Oh, good old Saudi. Oh, good old. Snap back to reality. Oh, good old gravity. Oh, good old Saudi. Oh, good old gravity. Boom. Oh, it was, get down Alright, guys, this is our safe spot. King count like flood. No king count like flood. Now, if you notice, we are. R. Oh, no, get down. No. By the way, I might go check out Pokeboy's channel and Creative and Fox. Creative and Fox made a new versus Goku. If you can't find it, search up new meets Goku or new versus Goku. Anyways, this was a good video and goodbye. See you in the next one.